If you've ever wanted to record your screen and webcam at the same time, but keep those recordings totally separate for editing later, then today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up OBS Studio to capture both sources side by side on a single ultra-wide canvas. By the end, you'll have your screen and your webcam as distinct halves, ready for whatever you want to create, like tutorials, reaction videos, or game commentaries. Let's dive in. First, we need to set up our recording space inside OBS. Go ahead and open OBS Studio, and let's tweak the canvas resolution so both your screen and webcam fit neatly side by side without overlapping. To do this, head to Settings, then find the Video tab. Here, the trick, you'll want to double the width of the base and output resolutions. So if your typical screen size is 1920 by 1080, change both the base and output to 3840 by 1080. What we're doing here is making a single super wide canvas. Think of it as two screens stitched together. That way, each source gets its own real estate, making everything much easier to separate later in editing. If your monitor uses a different resolution, just use its width doubled and keep the same height. Once your canvas is set, we need to add the sources. Let's start with your screen. Click the plus icon under Sources and choose Display Capture. This will grab everything that happens on your monitor, perfect for walkthroughs or presentations. Next, add your webcam, choose Video Capture Device. This brings in your facecam, which adds a personal touch, whether you're teaching, gaming, or hosting a video call. Now comes a key step, positioning. Take your display capture source, drag and resize it to fill one half of your new wide canvas. I usually put the screen on the left, but the choice is yours. Next, grab your video capture device, the webcam, and position it on the other half. OBS allows you to resize and nudge these windows pretty easily, so take your time to make sure neither source is stretched or squished. Imagine splitting a sheet of paper in half, one side for your content, the other for your camera. Don't worry if it takes a minute to get the placement just right. A neat arrangement here means less hassle later. With everything laid out, we're ready to record. Hit that Start Recording button at the bottom right of OBS. For me, since I'm using OBS to make this video, it says Stop Recording. Yours will say Start Recording if you're not currently filming. OBS will capture the entire 3840 by 1080 canvas you've created. What's great is, in editing, you can split this wide video into two separate files or crop whichever side you need. It's a super flexible workflow, like getting two videos for the price of one. If you're new to OBS, don't stress if things feel a little overwhelming. The interface is friendly once you get used to it, and mistakes are easy to fix. And that's all there is to it, just a few setup steps for a big leap in production quality and editing control. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or need a hand with OBS, drop a comment down below. I always read and reply. And if you want more useful tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy recording.